In this video, I'll be showing you how to add pages to your website and create the foundation for your store. So we'll start by going to Pages. We're going to trash that sample page, and we'll go to Add New. We'll make our home page. Just wrote a very basic little piece of filler. Right now it's not super important to add a lot of content to the site as we're just building the mainframe for our store. So that's been created. We'll add another one, and this will be called About, and we'll just make this coming soon, publish, we'll call this shipping. Let's just shipping information worldwide, because our shipping does ship throughout the world. And then we'll make an FAQ. It's very important to add an FAQ section to your site, because oftentimes when people go to a website or go to an online store and it's not a very established brand, they're going to have some questions and they're going to need to gain your trust. By having an FAQ page, you'll give them that validation that you know and that you care about their customers. So now that we've created our pages, as you can see they're all here, we are going to make a menu. Now we are going to call this Navigation because it's going to be our main navigation tab. We will add in all of our pages. And once they're inside our menu structure, we can control the order that they appear. So we'll make our home page first. We will make our About page second. And then we'll make our shipping page actually a sub-item of the FAQ page. You can also choose where the menu appears in your theme. So we'll make this our top primary theme. We'll save our menu. Now we'll go to Reading under our settings, and we're going to choose our front page display to be our home page. And we'll save it. And now let's visit our site. As you can see, we have our home page and everything is listed right here. So congratulations, you have just made the foundation for your website.